Good morning students. Once again welcome back to this online class. Hope you all are keeping well and studying well. Last time we have started lesson 3, right? Lesson 3 we have started A, N and the. We have studied about that. Hope we have completed till page number 18, right? Page number 18, this story I have given you homework. Do you remember? I think I have given homework there and you all have completed this, okay? So today we are going to continue the page number 19. Lesson 3, page number 19 we are going to continue, okay? Hope you all have understood when to use A and N, right? We have learnt about that in last page, in last class, okay? So today we are going to continue page number 19. In the blackboard I have written page number 19. We are going to continue today, okay? So here we will learn when to use the rules of the to use in a sentence. We will learn in this chapter, okay, in this page. So here it is given, we use the when we talk about a particular person, place, animal or thing, okay? So the when we have used the A before the consonant letters, right? N we use before the vowel, right? So the is used for a when we talk about a particular person, okay? When we are talking about a particular person, place, okay, jagah ka naam, animal or thing. Animals, particular, if we are talking about a particular animal, particular thing, particular place, particular person, then we use the, okay? Here for example it is given, okay? For example it is given the parrot. Parrot in that cage can talk. So here you see, here the is used, right? The parrot in the cage can talk. So here about particular bird, particular animal we are talking, right? So particular parrot, about this parrot we are talking. So we are used here the, okay? Like second number, the boy. The boy in the red shirt is my person, okay? The boy in the red shirt is my person. Here also about a particular person we are talking about, particular person we are talking, the boy, about this boy we are talking. So here we are used the, okay? So like this, particular, now here animal, the cows are grazing in the meadow. So here also we are talking about a particular animal, right? About a cow we are talking. So here we are using the, okay? So remember about particular person, place, animal or thing, when we talk then we use the, okay? So here next is, we use the when the same noun is used again. For example, okay? For example, there are sentences, okay? In two sentences we use, okay? So same thing when in the sentence talking, then we use the. For example, here you see, I saw an elephant. I saw an elephant. The elephant was eating grass. So here you see, here we are talking, in this sentence we are talking about the elephant, right? I saw an elephant. The elephant was eating grass. So here it is a two sentence, but about one thing we are talking about, this elephant we are talking here, right? Yes or no? Here you have two sentences. Okay, this is one sentence and this is one sentence. But we are talking about the same noun. Noun means the elephant is a noun, right? Elephant is a noun. So about the same elephant we are talking in this two sentences. So when we are talking about in a two sentence about talking about one noun, okay? For example, here elephant, there also elephant. So when we are talking about this same thing, same noun in a sentence, it is two sentences, then we use the. Okay, here you see. I saw an elephant. The elephant was eating grass. Okay, about this elephant, we are talking twice. So when we talking about the noun, when we talk twice, then we use there the. Okay, remember this. For example, next example is I went to a restaurant. Okay, I went to a restaurant. Restaurant is a noun, right? The restaurant is close to my house. Okay, the restaurant is close to my. मैं रेस्टोरेंट गए थे और रेस्टोरेंट मेरा घर से सामने में, right? So this about this restaurant only they are talking twice. That's why next will be the next sentence we will use the. Okay. Now second one is we use the when there is only one thing of its kind. Okay. We use the when there is only one thing of its kind. When there is only one thing of its kind, then we use the. For example, the sun. Okay, one of its kind. समझ में आया? When we use the when there is only one thing of its kind. Like for example, the sun. और दूसरा sun है? No. Sun is only one, right? Only one. So there's a one kind, one thing. Okay. So before that we use the. Okay. Sun सिर्फ एक ही है और उसके अलावा और नहीं है, right? वो एक ही kind का है, एक ही है. Okay. So एक ही thing चीज है, इसलिए उसमें हम लोग क्या use करेंगे? The. So we use the. Like for example, yeah, the sun. The moon also only one, no, of its kind. So moon, the earth, the sky. Okay. So about like these things we use the. Okay. Understood? Remember this. Then next is we use the before the names of rivers. Okay. Before the name of rivers. Which river do you remember in India? Yes, Ganga. Okay, Ganga is the river for India, no? Longest river in India, Ganga. So before Ganga, if it is the river's name, okay? So before Ganga, what we will use? The Ganga. Okay? So before river's name, whatever, only not Ganga, so many rivers are there. So if it is the river's name, then we will use what? We will use the. Okay? Then famous books. Famous books. There are so many books are there, right? Okay, the books. Okay, the book. So before that books also we will use the. Then famous buildings. Okay, buildings like monuments, right? We remember Taj Mahal. Okay, Taj Mahal, Red Fort. Like this, very famous buildings are there. Big buildings are there, which we go to visit. Very tourist places. Okay. Buildings, monuments. So about this, in front of these buildings like Taj Mahal, we will use the. Okay, the Taj Mahal we will use the, etc. For example, here also example also given: the Taj Mahal, the India Gate. Okay, the Bible, the Ganga, the Yamuna. Okay, the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a building name, no, old building. It's a monument. So in front of that, what we have to use the. Then the India Gate. India Gate, do you remember India Gate? Yes. Before India Gate also we will use the. The Bible. Bible is a book, right? Book's name. Okay, so in front of that book's name also we will use the. Then the Ganga. Ganga is a river, right? River name. So in front of the river name also what we have to use? We have to use the. Then the Yamuna. Yamuna also is a river. So we will use the. Okay. Like this we have to use. Understand? particular person, thing, animal, place. Okay, place name, particular person name, particular animal name. In front of that, what we have to use? The. Okay, remember this. So now we are going to do here exercise. C is given here. Okay, what is this given? Write the where it is needed. Okay, we have to, in this C exercise, we have to write the where it is needed. Okay, in which sentence it is needed, the there we have to write. इस sentence में जो जहाँ द चाहिए वही सिर्फ हम लोग द लिखेंगे. Cross where it is not required. If in this sentence the is not required, the को नहीं चाहिए, तो हमको क्या करना है? Cross. Understand? So let's see. So here we will see. First number is given. I play with my friends in the playground near my house. Playground is a place name, right? That's a particular place name. So there we will use what? We will use the. That is already done for us. Okay. Now second number is, my granny tells me stories from this Ramayana. Okay. Here you see. Second number is my granny. Granny means grandmother, right? My granny tells me stories from this Ramayana, right? My granny tells me stories from this Ramayana. Okay. Now you look at here. Ramayana. Ramayana is a particular book name, right? Ramayana is a particular book name. So particular book name, what we have to use here? Do you remember? Just now I have told you. Yes, particular book. It is particular book. Then we have to use here the. Okay. So we have to look at here. Okay. Before using this, we have to look at this. So Ramayana is a particular noun. Okay. This is a book name, Ramayana, right? So that's why we have to use here the. Okay. Now third number is, there is a new student in my class. Okay. Just now did I tell you, if it is two sentences and talking about the same noun in two sentences, then what we have to use there? The, right? So here it is given, there is a new student in my class. Okay. There is one sentence. That student has come from China. Okay. That's China. So here, there is a new student in my class. One sentence over. So about this student in next sentence also talking, right? Same noun. About same noun it is talking. So there what we have to use there? Yes, we have to use the, because same about same student in next sentence also they are talking. So there we have to use the. What we have to use? The. Okay, remember. Then has come from China. Okay, here is a note it is given. We do not use the before name of countries and people. Okay, if it is a people name. Okay, if it is a people name like Ram. Ram is a people name. In front of people name we don't use the. Okay, before people name and country name we don't use the. Like China. China is a country name, right? So before this country name, before the country we will not use the. Okay. So if it is we are not using anything, then we have to what we have to write? We have to write a cross. Okay. So before China we have to cross. Then fourth number is, Dash Qutub Minar is located in South Delhi. Okay. Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is a old building, no? Famous building. So in front of famous building, what we have to use? Yes, we have to use the. Okay, Qutub Minar is a monument, famous building. So in front of that, what we have to use? We have to use the. Then fifth number is dash Ganga is a long river. Yes, just now we have told, no? Before the name of a river, what we have to use? The. Then sixth number is a dog was barking at a stranger. Okay, dash dog belonged to my friend. So here in this sentence also two sentences. Okay, two sentences but talking about the same noun, right? Same nouns about the dog. First here also it is talking about dog. The second sentence also it is talking about dog. So if it is this sentence is talking about the same noun, what we have to use? Yes, we have to use the. Okay, so the dog belonged to my friend. Okay, understood? Okay, now the exercise. Okay, read the story and fill in the blanks with a, an or the. So here also we have to use a, an or the in this story. Okay, so listen the story. When it is required a, n, the we have to write it. Okay, a fox without a tail. एक fox है उसका बिना tail. Tail मतलब पूंछ है ना. So without a tail. One day, okay, remember when to use a and when to use n and the. Okay, one day dash fox was caught in dash tray. Okay, one day fox. F is a consonant, right? Before consonant, what you have to use? A. So one day a fox caught in a trap. Okay, T also is a consonant, so we have to use there A. It pulled and pulled till it became free, but its beautiful tail was not was cut off. Okay, then it is talking about same noun, right? The fox was very sad. Okay, how ugly I looked, wept the fox. The other foxes will laugh at me. Then the clever fox thought of an idea. Idea is a vowel, right? Before vowel we have to use an idea. It called a meeting of the foxes. Okay, it called a meeting. M is a consonant, so we have to use A. The fox said, friends, why should we carry these long tails? Let us cut off and be free of the extra weight. So that fox called for a meeting, and that fox is telling other foxes also to cut their tails, right? Extra tail. The other foxes saw the fox without its tail. Then the other foxes saw the fox without its tail. Okay. They laughed and said, "You liked your tail at first." So the other foxes saw, and they are telling, before you liked your tail, no, you loved your tail. Now that you have lost yours, you want us to lose ours too. So other foxes told that before you were having, okay, you had tail, okay, that time you didn't tell, since you have lost your tail, so you are asking us also to lose, okay, to lose. So the other foxes told that. So once again you read and fill where it is needed a and the. Okay. Now E exercise. Read the words and fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Here also we have to write the a, an or the. Here first number is, I looked up at dash sky. Before sky, before moon, sun, what we have to use? The. So here what will come? I looked up at the sky. Then second one is, and so dash eagle flying high. Okay, eagle is a vowel E. Okay, so N. And I saw an eagle flying high. When the eagle began to dive, all the mice ran to save their lives. Okay, when the eagle, okay, the eagle is a particular birds do. No? So there were to use the began to die all the mice. Okay? All the mouse means ran to save their lives. Okay? So here we complete. So you go through yourself once again and complete these exercises. Okay? Hope you all have understood. Okay? So we stop here for today. Thank you.